Option D is the answer. Yes, next question. Komala told the audience to hold their peace until he had finished his address. Sorry, that is not Komala, Komal. Okay, na? That is Komal. Komala, okay, anyways, Komala. Let it be Komala. Her. Okay, Komala told the audience to hold their peace until she had finished her address. Okay, so let make it Komal only. Otherwise, I have to change this he and his. Yes. What is the meaning of to hold their peace? To hold their peace. Option A, remain peaceful. Option B, keep silent. Option C, remain seated. Option D, become reconciled. Option B, option C, option B. Okay, others? Option B. Uh-huh. Others? Yes, option A, option C, Shetty, option B, Amar, option B, Ashok, C, Charu, B, keep silent, toxic, Abhishek, option C. Okay, Sindhu, option B. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡೋಣವಾ? Yes, Altaf, option A. Shreyas, option C, remain seated. Yes, let's see the answer. To hold their peace. Tada! Option B is the answer. To hold their peace means say nothing ಅಥವಾ be silent ಅಥವಾ keep quiet. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಕೋಮಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ to hold their peace means keep silent. Option B is the answer. Shreyas, Sachin, C Allah, option B is the answer. So next question. The captors of the kidnapped kept his family on tenterhooks. Okay. So what is the meaning of on tenterhooks? Tenterhooks. Option A, in excited wait. Option B, in seething anger. Option C, on constant move. Option D, in anxious suspense. Yes. What is the answer? What is the meaning of on tenterhooks? Option D, option B. In seething anger, anxious suspense. Option D, Ramya. Yes, others? 1 second. Yes, option D, 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 D. Yeah. Very good. So let's see the answer. Yes, option D is the answer. On tenterhooks means in a state of suspense. ತುಂಬಾ ರಹಸ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಆರ್ ಎಸಿಟೇಷನ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅನ್ಸರ್ಟೈನಿಟಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಎ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್. ಮುಂದೆ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ದೇನೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಸಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಟೆಂಟರ್ ಹುಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ ಆಂಗ್ಸಿಯಸ್ ಸಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ. ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್. Yes, option D is the answer, Abhishek. Another Abhishek asked me, PGCT last date 26th ಮುಗೀತು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂತ್ 26th ವರ್ಗೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು and it was over, I think. So, next question. Let's see the next question. Being an introvert, he will only eat his heart out. So, what is the meaning of heart out? ಹೃದಯ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರೋದು ಅಂತನಾ? ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್. ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೋವರ್ಟ್. ಇಂಟ್ರೋವರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆನೂ ಮಾತಾಡದೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಸಿಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಮುಜುಗರ ಪಡ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಅಂತವರಿಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೋವರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೋವರ್ಟ್, ಹಿ ವಿಲ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಈಟ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ. ಓಕೆ ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲ್, is it till 7th? This month 7th? July 7th last date. Yes, thank you guys. Option D, suffer silently. Karthik, option D. Eat too much, keep brooding, invite trouble, suffer silently. Yes, option D, option D. Manu, option D. Sindhu, option D. Yes. Yes. Abhishek, option B. Keep brooding. Farhana, don't cry. Option D. Yes. Option D. Okay, anyways, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಸಫರ್ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಹೂ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೋವರ್ಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್? 7th last payment. Okay, payment date is last on 7th. Yes guys, you are right. Option D is the right answer. Yes, heart out means great sadness. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಲೈಕ್ ಒಳೊಳಗೆನೆ ದುಃಖ ಪಡೋದಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರನೂ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ದೇನೆ, ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರನೂ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ದೇನೆ. ಎಸ್ ಅಭಿ, ಸಫರ್ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ಲಿ. ಎಸ್. ಆರ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೋವರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೋವರ್ಟ್ಸ್? I hope you are all extroverts. Yes, option D is the answer. Being an introvert, he will only eat his heart out. Suffer silently. So, next question. It requires unparalleled courage to set the Thames on fire. So, what is the meaning of Thames on fire? To set the Thames on fire. Thames river gotta? This is a river name. It is in London, Thames. Yes. What is the answer? What is the meaning of to set the Thames on fire? Introvert. Karthik, introvert. Are you introvert? Don't be an introvert. The world is so beautiful. We have to mingle with the people. Yes. So do a heroic deed, destroy with fire, do something extraordinary or brilliant, wreck evil on something. So what is the meaning? Prajwal, option C. Do something extraordinary or brilliant. Shishir, option C. Charu, option C. Yes. Mafia, option D. Wreak evil on something. Yes. So others? So to set the Thames on fire. ನದಿಗೆ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಹಚ್ಚೋದು ಅಂತನಾ ಅರ್ಥ? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ. Farhana, option A. Altaf, option C. Karthik, option C. Mahi, option C. Okay, so most of you are giving the same answer, option C. So you are all ready to set fire the river Thames? Yes, option A is the answer. Okay, so to set the Thames on fire means to achieve something amazing, to do something which brings great public acclaim. Okay, so option A is the answer. Do a heroic deed. See, it requires unparalleled ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಸರಿಸಾಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲದ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ? ಹೀರೋಯಿಕ್ ಡೀಡ್ ಅನ್ನ, ಹೀರೋಯಿಕ್ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋದಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಟು ಸೆಟ್ ದ ಥೇಮ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಫೈರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಡೂ ಅ ಹೀರೋಯಿಕ್ ಡೀಡ್. ಓಕೆ, so did you get the answer? Yeah. So next question. The MP from our constituency is fond of blowing his own trump. See, blowing his own trump whenever he gets a chance. So what is the meaning of blowing his own trump? Trumpet. So what is the meaning? Blowing his own trumpet. So which one is the answer? What is the meaning? Yes, Karthik, what is that? Shetty, option. What is that? Yes andre ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ answer? Okay, are you all ready to set fire? Okay. Yes, so what is the answer? Parading his own good deeds, speaking too loudly, looking after his own interest, making long speeches. Yes, Farhana, option C, option A, Shishir, option A, Afreen, option D, making long speeches. Yes, option C, option B, option C. Yes, guys, let's see the answer. Option A is the answer. Blowing his own trumpet. To talk about oneself or one's achievements, especially in a way that shows that one is proud or too proud. Okay? So, parading his own good deeds. ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಏನೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ನನಗ್ ನಾನೇ ಹೊಗಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. Parading his own good deeds. ಆಯ್ತಾ? So, that is what our politicians do, right? So, option A is the answer. Okay? Blowing his own trumpet means parading his own good deeds. ಎಸ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಗೈಸ್. ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಎ ಅಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಎಸ್, ಗುಡ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಎಸ್, ಸೊ ನೌ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ವೈಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ. ಓಕೆ ಗೈಸ್, ಟಿಲ್ ದೆನ್ ಗುಡ್ ನೈಟ್, ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್. ಸೊ ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಲೈಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಆ ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು ರಿಯೋ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಯನ್ನ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ದಿ ಆಪ್ ಅಂಡ್ join the classes now itself, and the contact number is showing below You can contact us also. Yes, boys. Yes,